Good morning, dolls, and welcome back to the Discount Vegan. If you're new here, I'm Lizzie, and I want to get back to making food. So, of course, with the holidays right around the corner, let's start off with a simple, quick chocolate bark. Here I've chosen 3 different versions to make. I have plain Ripple chips, some crushed peanuts, and for a little fruity zing, some pomegranate seeds that I got on massive sale. Okay, so the first thing you need, if you're going to do a small batch, do what I do. I have about half a cup of mini chips, vegan of course. I bought them in bulk a little while ago, so this is what I have left. Just pour them into a microwave safe bowl and pop them in the microwave starting at 1 minute only. This makes it so that you don't burn your chips or anything like that. And when you bring it out, just mix it up. As you can see, it's actually starting to liquefy as I'm going. I did put it in one more time, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So to make it really easy for myself, I took my pan and put a liner in of parchment paper. I'm just going to do all 3 in the same pan, make it super, super easy, and just spread this out, and voila! I like to tamp it down a little bit though. Okay, so for having 3 different types, I just lined them up like this. I did lose the footage of putting the ingredients in. So sorry about that, but this is what it looks like just before you need to put it in the freezer. So just take it and simply stick it in your fridge for a couple of hours or in your freezer for about an hour or so, sometimes even half an hour depending on how thick your bark is, just so that it will harden and solidify. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's ready to come out of the fridge or freezer. It's all solid, all together, all chocolatey, and all yummy. So just take it out of the pan, leave it on the paper because it does get a little messy when you're cutting it up. If you don't care where it breaks, just slam it down on the cutting board and it'll break where it wants. But if you want to separate each flavoring, then definitely take a knife, and all you really have to do is just kind of dig it in, and it breaks pretty accurately into a line, as you can see. And then you can separate, the chips from the nuts from the fruit. And everyone is happy. So I thank you so much for taking the time and watching this video, dolls. Thank you so much. If you are new here, thank you for joining me for the first time. And click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so that YouTube will notify you of when I bring out new videos every week. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button so that I can get more videos out to more people and help more people save money with awesome recipes and gardening and growing your own fruits and vegetables at home. To save money, I can get that information out to more people. And Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me over this past year. It's not over yet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dolls.